Welcome, science enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the mind-bending world of quantum mechanics. Buckle up because in the next 3 minutes I'll unravel this fascinating enigma. First off, what is quantum mechanics? At its core, it's the branch of physics that studies the behavior of the smallest particles in our universe, like electrons and photons. Think of it as the rulebook for how these tiny particles move and interact. Sound simple? Not quite. In classical physics, we're used to the idea that objects have a definite position and speed. But in the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states at once. This concept is known as superposition. Imagine flipping a coin. While it's in the air, it's both heads and tails until it lands. That's kind of like superposition. And then there's entanglement. Quantum entanglement is when particles become linked, and the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance. It's like having two dice on opposite sides of the universe, and when you roll one, the other instantly shows the same result. Now let's talk about the uncertainty principle. Proposed by Werner Heisenberg, this principle states that you can't precisely measure both the position and momentum of a particle at the same time. The more accurately you know one, the less accurately you know the other. This isn't a limitation of our tools, it's a fundamental property of the universe. Imagine trying to catch a fish with your eyes closed. The more you focus on its speed, the harder it is to pinpoint its exact location. Quantum mechanics isn't just theoretical. It has real-world applications. Quantum computing, for example, harnesses the power of quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This allows quantum computers to solve complex problems much faster than classical computers. So, why does quantum mechanics matter? It challenges our understanding of reality and opens up new possibilities in technology and science. From revolutionizing computing to enhancing encryption and even leading to new medical breakthroughs, its potential is vast. To sum it up, quantum mechanics is the study of the very fabric of our universe, revealing a world that's far stranger and more intriguing than we could ever imagine. If you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of quantum mechanics, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of science. Thanks for watching.